So, welcome back. This is for this upcoming Saturday. My last episode, my last video got uploaded like an hour ago, so it's up and running on YouTube. Soon this video will be. And to be honest, I just found this game, so I am trying it out. I want to go with this one because, yeah. So, yay. Oh, this is, there's all the horses we can't be, right? No, yeah, no. Oh, still, I have to have a game case, but I want to be this one. How do I, there we go. Okay, so I'm this beautiful horse, and I got $100 to spend. That's pretty. Can I make blue? So this is a new game. I like this one. I'm gonna keep a dark red. Okay, move. Okay. Oh man, I read that can be right here. Yeah. So, can I be White House? Darn it. Enter. I'm a female with a blue bow. How do I sprint? Wait, female. Wait, no, that's a female. Never mind. I clicked the wrong one. So, I have to keep an eye. I don't know how to sprint. I'm just new. I just found this game and how do I sprint? No, like, how do we sprint? Ah, it's raining. It's raining. It's raining. I'm a horse walking the rain. I can. How do I? No, no. Ooh. I don't know how I run this thing, guys. If you guys, oh, I am walking fast. Nice. Okay, guys, I'm here. That's not just a drink. Okay, no, never mind. I want to be I like to eat, so, I'm over here. Okay, so I'm gonna put, okay, there we go. Okay, I'm gonna see, hey, let's see. I'm gonna go back to my cage. There we go, back into my cage where I belong. Look how cute the bow is! Like, I like it. One is my room, and two, I like how I design my house. So, I like the name of it. Yeah, yeah. Guys, put in the comments of what you want of, can I get out of here, please? Thank you. Ah. And that's my phone. I'm gonna look around. Ooh, yay. I think I like this game. And I know someone who is watching this possibly right now. Yeah, will possibly like this game, give it a check out. Yeah. Okay, climbing up the mountain, climbing up the mountain. I have no idea. I found this game. Why the hell am I here? Hey! Hi! 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 Bye. I don't know you. I don't know you. So I am looking around. I just went to complete circle. So she got a pink horse. How can you become a pink horse? I think this is okay. There we go. Yay! So I'm kind of getting a hold of this. Why? Yeah. So basically, this is an adopting center for. Oh, hey, so that's a nice name. So right before I started recording, I found this game. I checked it out. Like, I like it. Well, basically, this is my first time on it. Why? Oh, there's a group for this. Hold on. If there's a group of this, I am going to check it out. I know I got to see my screen. Okay, I'll that later. I'll be in this group. I like this game. Hey, my eye. Can you please get out my store, please? Can you be my sister? Okay, I hope Jessica don't mind. Nah. Okay, so yeah. Wait, hold on. I'm her older sister, apparently. So, I have no clue. So I'm. Why are you in my freaking cage? Yeah, so I was saying. Okay. Hi. Uh, hey! Hey! Back to you! I'm coming. So, basically. Wait! There's unicorns in here too? Okay guys, that's the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And make sure you hit that little bell for notification. Yeah, you know what the bell does. And I will see you next time. Bye!